How to trade in Robinhood. Short-term investments are the best for investors looking forward to quick gains. They allow investors to invest money at a higher yield interest rate and then gain access to returns sooner than later. There are plenty of short-term investment options available, and the key to make money smartly and successfully is by searching the best short-term investments. This probably begins by learning the basics about short-term investments. Short-term investments are those funds that earn higher returns to the investor against his money within a short period. In finance-related terms, a short term can be anything between 1 to 10 years. Although short-term investments yield returns quickly, it is a challenge to find good short-term investments yielding high returns. Good short-term investments have a higher rate of interest, permitting investors to earn lump sum money. Short-term investments are the best for these people having a pressing need coming in the near future. For instance, investors requiring down payments for a car or a house within a year or so can take help of short-term investment options. In addition, individuals can use such type of funds as a replacement for a traditional savings account due to the higher rate of returns. For others, short-term investments supplement their retirement income. A good example of short-term investment options is the money market. Very often money markets have higher rates of interest as compared to the traditional form of saving accounts. However, in short-term investments, investors get extremely limited access for the period in which they are investing. It is during this period that the money grows, accruing interest. Investments in gold are also a smart investing option for investors. With the rates of gold and silver changing quickly, short-term investors can always find time when the interest rates are low and then hold on to the shares of silver or gold until the rates come up. Another great option for short-term investments is the mutual funds. In case of mutual funds, the profit rate depends on the swing in the rates during investing, the term of investment, and the selling rate. As with most investments, short-term investments also have their own pros and cons. One of them is that short-term investments carrying higher rates of interest come with high risk also. This means that investors stand a high chance of losing money. In order to have less risk, investors have to sacrifice the interest rate. The other disadvantages of short-term investments are that they come with penalties in case investors want early access to their capital. On the other side, short-term investments help investors to relieve off small debts, car expenses, and other miscellaneous expenses. In addition, contrary to the long-term loans, investors can access their money within a short period. Besides, short-term investments help protect the long-term financial goals. It is because investors have money available with them when they need it right away. So when are you investing?